who are you?
Okay.
I'm her sister.
Okay, can you step there back? Can you step?
I'm not going very far.
Can you come talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay,
okay.
this you.
Get on the ground.
Physically remove
Get on the ground. Get on the.
Mama, this
Are you okay?
A single middle finger, a blue Star Wars bottle, and a life ruined in less than 30 seconds. Look at the smoke still rising from this wreck. Is this a victim of road rage or a driver who turned her vehicle into a deadly missile? When does a sister's protection become a legal nightmare? And why did a mother's silent gaze succeed where 4 armed officers failed? In this analysis, we aren't just watching a crash. We are dissecting the choices that lead to a felony. Who started the fire, and who is the real villain here? What would you have done if you were behind that wheel?
How are you?
I'm keeping her in the car.
Okay, who are you?
Okay.
I'm her sister.
Okay.
Look at this freeze frame at 005. Demetra claims she accidentally hit the other car. But look at this deployed airbag. In automotive forensics, sensors only trigger an airbag when they detect a massive, sudden change in velocity. This isn't a minor bump. It's a high-impact strike. The physical evidence is screaming that this was intentional. Do you believe her words, or do you believe the car's sensors? If you were the officer on the scene, would this be enough for you to arrest her right then and there?
I'm her sister.
Okay, can you step there back? Can you step?
I'm not going very far.
Can you come talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay,
I can see you bleeding. Okay,
this man.
I'm not worried about that right now. You're bleeding. I'm worried about your
fine.
injuries. I'm worried about your
Can
injuries.
you just get my story?
Yes, I will, but I'm worried about your injuries right now. We will get
I don't
everything
know where
figured
you're
out.
coming from.
Huh? What?
The injury. I don't.
Okay. Let's worry about injuries and keeping you safe. I will get the story with the accident once everybody's safe. Can you just
Get a napkin from the glove. I'm going to be able. No, because I'm going to be able to keep her calmer than you can. Wipe yourself off.
It's just that.
It's just a scratch.
Okay, just
wipe
some. It's
yourself
just
off,
some.
and you're okay. Take
Just some blood. Probably just some. Some cuts from the glass, probably.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Demetra.
Where were you coming from?
I was coming from my house. This woman was tailgating me, so I pulled over, right? And then the intersection. I stopped first at the stop sign, and then I went, and then this woman was going really fast. First, I was coming from my house. This woman was going super duper fast. I don't know why, and tailgating me. So I pulled over because I was like, why is she tailgating me for what? So, and then I stopped at the stop sign, and then I went, and she went. But I went on the side of her, and I went, and this woman wanted to stick her middle finger at me. So I went, and then I put my middle finger at her because why is she doing that to me? And then I was coming from my sister's house, and this woman wanted to throw a glass bottle at my car. So I went after her because she wanted to throw a glass bottle at my car.
What do you mean you went after her? She
threw something at my motherfucking vehicle.
Okay, what do you mean you went after her? You drove after her?
Yeah, and she wanted to be racing down the street, so I'm like, okay, what the fuck? Why would this woman throw something at my car?
So you drove at her and then you hit her?
Yes. I didn't intentionally
hit her car or hit her.
She was at the stop sign, and
was she still? Can I ask you? Was she still in her car when you did this?
Yes.
Okay.
I stopped. I was meant to stop, and I hit her, and I was
get an ambulance coming just to get her bandaged up.
No, I'm okay.
No, we're gonna get some.
No. I don't.
Okay, your airbag's deployed, so the ambulance has to come.
Oh, fine. Well, I don't want to pay for that.
Mom's on her way. I've called the mom.
Okay.
Because mom has guardianship.
No.
She's got airbag deployment too.
That's my car. It's my.
Okay.
Coming down.
Can I have you go to step to the side now, please, ma'am?
And
I know you're related, but I need you to go over to your car now.
Wait, then I'm gonna call Demetra.
Now, the sister thinks she's a shield, but the police see a threat. Notice her positioning. She is invading the officer's red zone. By physically obstructing a law enforcement officer during an active investigation, she isn't helping. She's escalating the situation. This is where a traffic accident turns into a high-stress felony arrest. Is loyalty worth a taser shot? If you were this officer, would you feel safe with someone shouting and lunging at you? What would you have done to protect your family without breaking the law?
Go to the car. Go to your car.
Dude, get your hands.
I'm telling you to go to the car. Go to the car.
Do not say nothing else till mom gets here.
She's just got a bunch of glass cuts, but I don't know whose blood this. She admitted to physically like driving her car because of a road rage incident.
That's kind of what it sounds like.
So she's going.
Hey, ma'am.
Yeah. I just want to get her bandaged up real quick.
No, that's.
Did you ever come out of your car?
No.
You don't know whose blood that is, then. Is it? Huh?
That's nobody's blood.
There's blood on the hood of on the fender of your car, so it is somebody's blood.
I didn't hit nobody.
Okay, you never got out of your car though?
Young Ocean Robert.
Did you ever get out of your car?
No, I did not get out of the car.
Okay, well, there's
I
a
did
smear.
not hit nobody on the way over here. I know this.
Okay.
So chill out.
12.5.
I know you're doing your job.
Let me ask the sister that apparently. You did get out of your car.
Yeah, my bad. Now I'm remembering. I'm sorry, my head's scattering.
I'm just going to grab some gloves for when I go 95.
Okay.
So, I just want to get the story real quick from where you were coming from. Are you coming from that way, right? And you're going which way? This way? All right. And you were headed to where exactly? Her house? Which is where? What's the address of her house? Can you just tell me? What was that?
I have to wait for my mother.
Okay. Are you going to talk to me at all?
No more.
Okay, get out of the car for me then.
For what?
Get out of the car, because I'm telling you to.
No.
Yes, get out of the car.
No.
The other side of her report I got is pretty much there's some sort of road rage incident because he was following her too close, and then she came at the stop sign. One flicked the other one off.
So
she threw a bottle. A bottle was thrown at her car, so she intentionally drove her car at her.
Yeah, that's a little excessive. So basically what I got is she was coming to Elkhorn from Lake Geneva on H over by Gateway. She says this car pulled over like they were going to turn on in the right lane. And
Okay.
so she said, I went around the left because this car was turning right. All of a sudden she's sitting there honking at me, flipping me the middle finger.
Okay.
And she's like, well then, I just kept going. So she pulled out and followed me. And then in front of the high school, she passes her in the no passing zone in front of the high school and cuts her off. So then she again goes around her and just keeps driving, trying to get away. And she just followed her everywhere she went. And so she said, I turned on this way. I just wanted to get rid of it. And I slowed down here, and she just hit me as hard as she could. She rear-ended me and ended up in the side of the building.
She said she intentionally hit her.
And then she said she got out of the car, ran up to approach her, yelling, screaming. She's like, luckily my window went up, and she had a knife in her hand.
From the car.
Physically remove me!
All right, get out of the car.
You!
Get out of the car.
You! Dude! I'm physically
Get out of the car.
hurt. You're gonna do this to me?
Ma'am, just step.
What about her? Instigate her!
Get out of the car.
Because I'm black, bro!
Get out of the car.
Because I'm black!
Just step
Physically
out of
remove
the car.
her! You
Get out of the car.
Physically remove her, bitch! You guys are bitches! Physically remove her!
You don't get out, I'm going to tase you. You out, or I'm going to tase you.
Remove her! Wow!
Get out of the car, or you're going to get tased. Get out of the car. Stop. Get out of the car.
You!
Get on the ground.
Physically remove
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Face down.
Wow! You guys are f***ing ass cops!
Hey, Demetra.
Ass cops, you gotta tase everybody! Ass cops!
Demetra.
Ass cops! You can't take me down, bro! Ass cops, you gotta tase me and shit! Ass motherfucking cops!
Why don't you roll to your side?
Ass motherfuckers! You ain't doing shit to her! Ass whore! You started all this bitch! You started all this. Please let her go!
Can you mind your own business, ma'am?
She started all this! She started all this! She threw a bottle at my car!
Stop kicking.
Ass no!
Demetra, just be quiet.
See how ass bitch!
Ma'am, can you go to the side of the road? No. Go to the side of the road. She is under. Go to the side of the road.
Get the f*** off me! Oh, look, kill her, bro!
Hey,
Look at mom. Okay, look at mom. Look at me. Nobody else. You're okay. Come on, good girl.
Mama, this
Nita, are you okay? No. Okay, then let's get you worked out. You're gonna be all right. Take a deep breath.
I did nothing to this.
Quit swearing at her.
Not her. This.
No, stop calling people names.
Why is she not arrested?
Listen to me. Stop talking. Where'd the blood come from? Okay, let's go get you checked out. Now stop. They're not going to let you go with this attitude. And they have every right when you're this worked up. Now be nice to them. Do you understand? You're not going to get anywhere but in deep trouble if you don't get yourself under control. All right.
They're bringing the
Look at this right now. We are witnessing something far more powerful than handcuffs. This is a masterclass in de-escalation. While 4 armed officers use commands, this mother uses grounding techniques, physical touch, and steady eye contact to break her daughter's spiral of panic. She isn't arguing with the police. She's bringing Demetra back to reality. Why does a mother's presence succeed where tactical force fails? Is it possible that empathy is a stronger tool for justice than a taser? If you were this mother, how would you have calmed your child while the world was watching?
in the car.
And my favorite. You need to calm yourself down and check yourself out.
Airbag did go off. I don't know if she had a seatbelt on when that happened.
I see the silver thing here on the floor.
The silver water bottle.
I don't see a knife, but I didn't search it, so I think we're able to.
I think so. She admitted to intentionally ramming her with the car, so I think we got enough to search. There's this. That's silver. This is silver. I haven't seen any weapons so far. There's this knife. Buddy.
I could see if it was open though.
It's in the glove box here. It's not bloody.
I don't know. She said she came at her with a knife. I don't have anyone else that says they saw a knife, so.
How big of a knife are we?
I can question her more on it.
Okay.
She's being evaluated right now.
Yep, THC vape.
Okay, perfect. I'll seize that too. THC vape.
Oh, you found it. Okay. That's probably it. It looked like a black closed pocket knife.
Black closed pocket knife? Okay.
2 independent witnesses said there was a knife involved.
Oh, perfect.
The one I just talked to said she could hear the other driver saying she's got a knife, she's got a knife. Both of them said they saw it. The second witness says she was going to try and hit the car again, but then her car wouldn't move.
Yes.
Okay, you might have a few follow-up questions for you.
How are you feeling right now?
Okay.
Does your head hurt?
It does.
Is that from the crash? Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
Honestly, I don't really even know what to think right now. So no.
Okay.
That might change though.
All right. I know they did move your vehicle. I think it is drivable somewhat right now.
Yeah.
I think we got insurance and everything.
I have her insurance info, I believe.
So you were stopped at the stop sign?
Not at a complete stop, but
Okay.
there were 2 other cars, one right here and one right here, that were at a complete stop.
I got the same info.
Okay. All right. I'm going out to the hospital.
Look at the final cost of a few seconds of rage. A totaled car, a permanent criminal record, and 3 years of freedom traded for a moment of revenge. Road rage isn't just about one bad driver. It's about 2 people who both refused to let go of the last word. One threw a bottle, the other turned her car into a weapon. And in the end, both lost. This is the ultimate lesson. On the road, winning an argument often means losing your future. The mother showed us that empathy can stop a crisis, but only you can prevent one. Will you choose to be right, or will you choose to go home? What is your peace of mind worth to you?